You can see it anyway.
Okay. This was in response to the video about a new heater operator lesson. I just switched my Pentair 125 propane over to natural gas. I changed the orifice. The burner won't kick on. It's saying service the system. What else should I try?
I think the first thing that you should try is get a anemometer, good luck saying that word, and test the gas pressure getting to the heater itself, because that's going to be your very first thing, is that it's not registering enough gas flow, and as a result it's not going through its normal firing situation. I think that's probably number one on the list is that, and number two, look at the gas sizing, the size piping that you ran to the heater. Is it adequate? How far did you have to run that gas line, that natural gas line? If you're trying to run it through the propane line that was originally installed from your propane tank, and you modified that to run from the house to the heater, likely the gas line is not big enough and it will not operate. I can promise you, propane as a liquid form comes through a pretty tiny hose. Natural gas is all vaporized gas, and it requires a lot of volume to get from the source, the meter, and you have to tap in within 3 feet of the meter when you get to the house. You don't want to just tap into the end of the line if it's convenient and close to where you're at where your equipment is. You have to always go from the meter to the heater, because that 125,000 BTU heater is equivalent probably to a lot combined of the usage BTU usage in your house. Your furnace is probably 50 to 80,000 BTUs. Your water heater is probably, if it's on gas, is probably 20,000 BTUs, and that's the equivalent of your pool heater. So you need to run a dedicated line for that, and it could just be a supply problem. That's what it sounds like it is to me.
All right, hope that helps.